how to use a Vanilla Visa gift card on Amazon. So I'm going to explain how this works and show you a little trick. You want to go to Amazon and just search for Amazon gift card. Once you search for Amazon gift card, then here we're going to select the first option, Amazon e-gift card. Now just click on it. Now you want to check the amount of money you have on your Visa gift card, Vanilla Visa gift card, and here you will type the amount which you want to use from the card itself. So for example, let's say that we have $20 on the card. So I'm just going to type 20 with 2 zeros, and then this is going to be your delivery method. So here you can put your email address, or I'm just going to do a shareable link here so I don't have to put my email. All right, so we have done this. Now what we have to do is to click on buy now. If you click on buy now, then you will see this option, use a gift card voucher or promo code. So here we're going to click on use gift card voucher or promo code. And now what we have to do is to click on add a debit or credit card. Once you click on add debit or credit card, here you will fill out your Vanilla Visa gift card information. So as you can see, Visa is supported. So we're just going to fill out our information here, card number, name on card, and expiration date. And once you add it, you will use this payment method. Afterwards, you will get the Amazon gift card on your email address, and you can go into your account here and then just redeem the code. So here you will see gift cards. So you will click on gift cards after you receive your gift card, and then you will select redeem a gift card. You will type the amount here which you want to add, or sorry, you will type the code which you got on your email, and you will click on apply to your balance, and that way you will have converted your Vanilla Visa gift card to your Amazon balance. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.